Ever found yourself utterly captivated by a show on Neon and then, bam, a question pops into your head that needs answering? Maybe your streaming isn't working quite right, or you're curious about a specific title, or perhaps you just want to share some love for a series that's got you hooked. Whatever the reason, figuring out how to actually contact Neon can sometimes feel like navigating a maze. You're scrolling through their website, clicking on what seems like promising links, but you end up going in circles. Frustrating, right? You're not alone. Many Neon viewers, just like you, occasionally need to reach out and seek assistance or information. The good news is, Neon does offer several avenues for contact, and we're here to illuminate those pathways for you. Let's start with the most direct route, their official website. Head over to neontv.co.nz, assuming you're in New Zealand, where Neon primarily operates. Once you're there, look for a Help or Contact Us section. This is usually located in the footer of the page or sometimes tucked away in a drop-down menu. Clicking on this should lead you to a dedicated support page. On the support page, you'll likely find a wealth of information, including frequently asked questions, FAQs, that might just answer your query straight away. Take a moment to browse through these. You might be surprised at how often your issue has already been addressed. If the FAQs don't quite cut it, look for a Contact Us button or a form you can fill out. This is often the primary method for getting in touch with Neon's support team. Be as clear and detailed as possible when describing your issue or question. The more information you provide, the quicker and more effectively they'll be able to assist you. Another common way to get in touch with online services these days is through social media. Neon is active on platforms like Facebook and potentially Twitter, now X, or Instagram. You can often send them a direct message or leave a comment on one of their posts. While social media might not be the best place for highly sensitive or account-specific inquiries, it can be a quick way to get general information or raise awareness of an issue. Keep in mind that response times on social media can vary. While less common these days for streaming services, some companies still offer phone support. Check Neon's website to see if a contact number is listed. If it is, be prepared for potential wait times, especially during peak hours. Have all your account details and the specifics of your query ready before you call to make the process smoother. Finally, depending on the nature of your issue, you might find helpful resources within the Neon app itself. Some apps have built-in support sections or troubleshooting guides. Explore the settings or help menus within the app to see if there's anything relevant to your needs. So, whether you prefer the structured approach of a contact form, the immediacy of social media, or the directness of a phone call, Neon offers several ways for you to connect. Remember to always start with their official website, as it will provide the most up-to-date and accurate contact information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.